In this session, we are going to discuss about Percona MySQL Server master and slave replication. I have two machines. This one is master, this one is slave. Okay, what are the steps we need to follow to start MySQL Server replication? Here you can see we are going to discuss about Percona MySQL Server master slave replication on Ubuntu. These are the steps we have to follow. Master IP address is 119, slave IP address is 124. Okay, first we need to set up, and this binary log we have to enable it, and server ID you have to mention. I'm going to discuss all those things. I'm changing in config file. Go here. I'm enlarging the screen. cd where lib mysql vi myconfig. Sorry, it is in my okay Percona. I hope so, not this one. It's in Percona. Here you can go with this. There is the config file. Okay, 119. I hope so. This is 119 IP address. If you want to confirm, you can confirm it. If config, yeah, you can see here 119. Okay, restart the server. Okay, my root -p MySQL. Yes, Percona MySQL Server. If you want to verify whatever show variables like, okay, one, fine, everything is working fine. You can, if you want to go with bind variable also, you can want to see this bind address. Say here 119. Now create a user for this one. Okay, create a user for this one. Okay, what is this IP address of this one? Slave IP address. You have to mention slave IP address is 124. Okay, 124. Create a user. Okay, say what is that? It is configure the replication user to whatever binary logs has to be travel to slave server. Okay, show binary logs. Okay, and moreover show master status. MySQL we have been ignored. We have some couple of databases. We have couple of databases. Right? We have some around some databases we have. I copied to the server, slave server. These are the steps you can follow. If you want to go and see, you can see it. You have to keep this into slave config file etc MySQL Percona. Okay. Fine. Restart the server. This slave server, black screen I mentioned for that. Fine. Now this is done. What is the master position number? You have to verify. Say this master position is bin 001629. File name is 001. Position number is 629. Verify that in that script. IP address of master is 119. You have to mention 119. Yes. User is same. What we created. User is password. Okay. File. Change the file name. Okay. Change it. And position number 629. Fine. This has to execute on slave server. Done. Start the slave. Fine. Show slave status G. I hope so. This is working fine. I hope so. If you want to test it, you can test it like a small create a table on this one in any database. Demo. Okay, create a table, em, id, name, character. Okay, insert into E10 values 1 comma name, any name. Okay. Okay, 2 records are inserted. You can say in E10. You can see in master. Same it has to replicate in this slave. Demo E10. Yes, it is replicating. Okay, next session, how to keep this database. What are the databases? You can keep it in read only. That we'll see in next session. Thank you.